Stage, Mr. Sebastian Chow! And his opponent produces shows at the Backroom Comedy Club, is a rising star in the scene. Please welcome to the stage, Mr. Khaldun Abutari, everybody! Seb, how do you feel about roasting Khaldun?
I just thought about him for like this afternoon, and I feel like it was way too much.
Funny. Khaldun, how do you feel about roasting Seb?
I feel honored, honestly. I don't produce shows at the Backroom Comedy Club anymore, but that seems.
I'm trying to give him credit. He's like, I'm way less qualified than you think I am. Do we know who's going first?
I'll take it first.
You'll take first? All right, Seb Chow, Khaldun, if we can all chant, battle, battle, let's roast!
Wait, Khaldun, can you take off your hat for this one?
Stripping early, okay.
Show them your head.
Oh, just real quick, note to the comics, wait for the music before you take it off.
Wait for music before
No,
taking
shut
off?
the fuck up. Show
I
me
got
that.
you, I got you.
Put on sunglasses now from the reflection, it might kill you. Dude, your forehead is so fucking big. You look like fuckboy Megamind.
You too look like fucking...
Right. Sebastian says most of his jokes are from restaurant experiences. Have you ever tried eating at one, dude? You're so skinny. You look like you could use lifesavers as cock rings.
It's minty fresh.
Seb looks like he only eats pussy if it's mixed with MSG.
It is.
Also, Seb, that was you. Audience, say it with me. Take it. Make it sexy. Oh my God, I'm gay now.
So Khaldun, I won't call him a tool because that implies he has a purpose. I wouldn't call him a disappointment because I'm not his father. And I wouldn't say he has an extra 47th chromosome because I know that he can't count that high.
You look really young, bro. You look like you go to the park just to get molested. You're trying to...
Is that why I see you there?
Yeah. So, I was really disappointed when you turned out to be 35. I was like, what the fuck?
That's a long... I look like I go to the park to do molesting.
This guy loves molesting.
You're at the right show.
Breaking his neck on his lap. So.
You know what? Don't tell me how you met. All right. Oh, that was really... His laugh was longer. So, Seb, take it!
Damn. Not as skinny as I thought. Good build.
You're wearing a wife beater, but it looks like your wife beats you. Okay, I'm not even doing this battle. You know what, Seb? Take it off! No.
Khaldun is single, but he says he has a couple friends with benefits. The friends are his mom and dad, and the benefits are he gets to live in their basement.
That's right. I'm not complaining about free rent. So fun fact about Sebastian is he actually had eye surgery for a lazy eye. Yeah, because in Asian cultures, not even your eye can be lazy. You know? Yeah. The funny thing is, though, he actually came out of that surgery looking less Asian than before. Yeah, he used to look like Lee Jung-jae from Squid Games, but then, no, he doesn't.
Oh no, the joke went on too long.
All right, you had them in the beginning, Calhoun, but now you gotta take it off! Are you folding your clothes?
I got some expert advice and I'm taking it.
All right, guys, this round, the audience gets to pick what you take off. So,
Oh shit.
Whoa.
I just made that up right now.
That's actually great.
You should have done it before I had only like 2 things left to take off.
All right.
You got shoes.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Well, let's just be shitty about it and take off shoelaces one at a time. Khaldun told me that he's 6 feet tall, and I just didn't know that they stack piles of date rape drugs that high.
Sebastian got hit by a car in university. Yeah. Guess you're not good at walking on roads either.
They just didn't see me there. Too short.
All right, that was roughly equal. So, audience, if you think Seb won that round, clap your hands. If you think Khaldun won that round, clap your hands. All right.
That's.
All right. Wait. The audience
I'm
gets
just
to
rubbing
pick.
my nipples.
It's not sexy without music. It's
I'm
just
just rubbing
creepy.
my nipples.
Yeah, now it's just pervy and gross. Ma'am, what would you like to see Khaldun take off? Hey, oh. Dance for us, Khaldun. Dance for us. Oh God, he's doing it.
You asked for this, and you're getting it.
Okay, this is sexual harassment.
You could have been anywhere in the world tonight, but you're here getting Khaldun's dick in your face.
Okay. I hate telling a woman she asked for that, but she literally asked for that. You can put your shoes back on if you want for an extra layer later on.
Man, you are such a big piece of shit. Your mom must have gotten pregnant through anal sex.
All right, fuck the round. Khaldun, take it!
All right.
I don't want to make it seem like I'm staring at your cock, but what is on your cock?
So it was a birthday gift from my boy. It says this cock belongs to, and then it's his face right here.
Damn,
Shout out, Peter.
your friend is funnier than you.
Yeah. It's the only time he's gone any head.
All right. Yeah. No, it's your joke. I forgot.
Sebastian is half white and half Asian, in case you guys couldn't tell by his face and my jokes. So he's really good at math and really bad at respecting his parents. Sorry.
Yeah. We've reversed the order.
We reversed the order. Thanks. He's had a lot of jobs. He's been a personal trainer, a axe throwing coach, a flight attendant, He's a real Renaissance man in that he makes laughter die like it caught the plague. And he lives with, there's rats in his room?
What was that? Oh, both. Okay.
Both? Did someone say both? I agree.
Bonus round. Oh, we're not done.
Don't let the audience
You
confuse
tell me what's going on.
You know, you're both taking it up.
Oh.
That was my bad, Alex. Sorry for that.
You're taking off pants. Alright. Do I gotta take off as well?
I don't
we
want to
shot
see
this-
anything else, so no.
We get the same white
That's
beaters?
fine, yeah. We're both.
It's a broke ass Amazon 20.
We can't both be wearing white beaters, man. This is not fair. I'll just.
You know what that means? If he loses again, his dick comes out.
I still got shoes! Still got shoes. It's cold on stage.
He's so broke, Khaldun calls his cum shot the lunch money because it's the only thing he can afford to eat. Don't cover your mouth, he hates that.
He's not wrong. Yeah, he's half Chinese, half white, so he's really good at chess and really bad at taking his shoes off in the house.
Oh,
I know. I'll take
Wait,
it off.
guys, we're waiting for the punchline.
All right, you look like you eat sushi with a fork. How about that? Is that better?
If you wanted raw fish, you'd go down on your mom.
This is true, she's still alive.
Oh, is she dead?
No,
it's because she hasn't seen this footage yet.
that's fair.
My son.
That's so
All
fair.
right, Khaldun, that was you because you had to use an extra joke to get there. Don't put your shoes back on.
No, I took them off without music.
I'll allow it.
I'm sorry. I took them off without music. I'm sorry, people. I did not respect the rules in this place my first time. I'm sorry.
We're waiting for the music, Alex. Hit it. Take those socks off. Put it in your mouth. Do a sexy dance.
Fuck y'all niggas on, man.
Who let the dogs out?
Duffel bag traveling.
Wait, what did he do? I missed it.
Not that I missed. I missed it too. It's all good.
All right.
You can't trust this guy. He's the type of man to tell you to smell his fingers so he can prove he had sex when he actually just fingered his own asshole. You see the memories flooding in.
You look like you kiss dogs on the mouth before eating them. I have nothing to say dog.
Don't call your mom a dog.
Seth, that was you. Do you have any more jokes? Okay, go. Do you have any more jokes?
I skipped to the best one, so no, I don't have any.
All right, Seth, take it off and then do your last joke. Show us your ass.
Man, you're really clenching there, dog. That's good.
You look like you skipped leg day. Hey, fuck you.
You don't even know. Have you ever seen a gym? Name one gym. Name it.
You know what, bro? You look like you doubled up on cock day, so. Good job.
All right, guys. I have a weird thing here. It's a poem. Are you guys? Can you deal with the poem about this guy? Yeah. Khaldun was a flight attendant. He's from the Middle East, and when he's in the bathroom, he always piddles yeast. The pilots pass him around the world and always take their turns. They gave him all the STDs, and now his penis burns.
You look like you could kung fu on skates. I don't know. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
All right, that's the battle, everybody! Keep it going for Cal Cruz and Sebastian Chow.
This is the worst part of it. Holy shit.
Walk of shame, get the fuck up! You grab them and you leave and you figure it out on your own.